Hello students, this is Rupali Bangale, Assistant Professor IICMR, MCA Department, Nigdi, Pune. Welcome to the Advanced Internet Technologies. Today we will be discussing about the Laravel installation. There are multiple ways to install the Laravel framework in your system. We will go through the installation process with the help of Composer. Before installing this Laravel into your machine, make sure you have XAMPP 5 above version. So the first step is get your Composer downloaded on the machine. I'm having Windows operating system, so I'll be going with the Windows installer. And if at all you are having Linux or Mac, you will be having some different kind of steps, like you will be writing or giving some different commands. But in case of Windows, you will be able to download this Composer setup. So let's download that on your system. So it is being downloaded, and now install the C. It will ask you whether you want to install it in developer mode. So click the checkbox and then click on next. It will ask you the path where you want to install this Composer. Click on next. Then it will ask you the PHP path. So you have to give here your PHP path. So I will be giving here C, then XAMPP. Inside that XAMPP, you are having PHP. Inside PHP, you are having PHP application. So you will be giving here the PHP exe path. Then click on next. Next. Then install. Now I'm installing only the Composer. This is what your Composer is being installed. So click on finish. Now go to your XAMPP folder. Inside your XAMPP, just move to the htdocs and there click or create a folder with your project name or anything, like I'm giving here the Laravel as a name. Then click on that Laravel, copy this path, and now go to the command prompt. Here type cd and then type your that path which we have copied. Now we have reached to the Laravel folder which we had created inside the htdocs. Now create the Laravel project with the successful directory structure. The command will be like this, where you will be asking your Composer to create a project which is of type Laravel, and now my name of the project will be like my project, and then click enter. It will start your installation process. So finally our project is being created with directory structure. Now just observe, inside your Laravel, my project is being created. Now inside that my project, you will be having the different kind of files and folders. The directory structure we will be discussing in detail during the session. Now, how to check whether my Laravel is being installed successfully or whether it is being executed properly or not. So you have to write a command php artisan serve. Now, what is this PHP artisan and what is this serve command? That also we'll discuss, only to relate it with our Angular, how we were starting the Angular server or how we were executing the application ng-serve, the similar kind of thing. We will be executing the Laravel application with this command php artisan serve. Now simply click enter. Yes, so we got the error PHP Artisan Serve. Why? Because Laravel is the folder, but my application is, or my project is my project. So you have to move till my project and now type the command PHP Artisan Serve. It will ask you that application is being started on this particular ID. So copy the command and paste it in your browser and simply click enter. This is what the default screen, as you can see, the 127.0.0.1 localhost ID, and on 8000 port number, your Laravel server will be running, and there you might be having different, this is what your welcome page of your Laravel that we'll discuss, and how to modify it and how to add few more pages and how to route your system. So everything we'll do it later during the session time. That's all for the Laravel installation. This page indicates that your Laravel is being successfully installed on this particular project, for this particular project. Thank you.